Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Light, and in today's video I'll be discussing with you the learning of e-commerce, what e-commerce is, and how you can make money with it. Though this is not the practical, I'll just go through it with you and teach you what it requires to make money on e-commerce before I make videos on the practicals. So let's go. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is the buying and selling of physical goods online or offline. And in this model of business, there are just 3 steps to be successful in this business. E-commerce is buying of goods, maybe locally or internationally, and then you sell online. So what are the steps? You need to find a hot selling product. In e-commerce, you don't have to find a product that it is easily seen in a marketplace. You don't have to buy a product that you can just see anywhere around you. You need to buy an hot selling product that when a customer sees it, they will be like, wow, they haven't seen this product before. That's the kind of product you want to sell in e-commerce. And after that, you import the product. You can import it from China, from US, anywhere. You import the product here and you sell. These steps are broad, but in my subsequent videos I will precis it. I will make it understandable for you in a practical way. So once you import the product, you sell it. How do you sell? You create a sales page, or you can sell through your WhatsApp. Sales page is just a automated way of selling. You don't have to stress yourself selling, typing with customers, chatting with them. They will have seen what the product is and how to get it, and any other information they need about the sales page, about the product on the sales page. So after doing that, then you drive the traffic. You run an advert, maybe on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, any platform that you think you can drive the traffic from, just for people to see your product. And the delivering, you deliver it. How do you deliver? I will teach you in my subsequent videos, because it is not something you can just do unless you want to deliver in where you are. But if you're trying to deliver outside your country or outside your state, it's going to require some steps. That's why I said yeah, broad steps. So what are the next thing? The model of e-commerce: dropshipping. We have dropshipping e-commerce, and this comprises of local and international. In this model of e-commerce, you don't have to own a product. You will be the one. All you have to do is just to drive traffic to a product. You will not be the one to buy the product. You will not be the one to deliver the product. All you just have to do is drive traffic to it. And this model is for people that doesn't have a startup capital, or that doesn't have the money to buy a product. So this one is I think the easier one for them. And the warehousing or wholesales, which is mini importation, this is the main deal, and this is what I'll be teaching mostly in this channel, meaning importation. So it's about importing the product, a hot selling product for that matter, and you'll be the one to sell, you'll be the one to drive traffic, you'll be the one to store the product in your place, you'll be the one to deliver. So this warehousing and wholesale or mini importation is kind of complicated. It's not complicated, but I'll teach everything here for you to see. It is very easy, and it has more money in it. So the white labeling and the production model is you'll be the one to um, produce the products, you'll be the one to deliver it, you'll be the one to sell it, you'll be the one to drive traffic. You are just engaged in this white labeling and production fully. So let me teach you how the e-commerce works, how you can earn money with it. Let's say you buy this product. This is a massager mode. I don't know if you've seen it. I got the sample. This is a massager mode for massaging. I don't know if you seen this before. All you have to do is put it here, and you can see it's working. It will massage your body, it will massage your body after training. So this is a hot selling product. I can bet that most of you wouldn't have seen this product before. So, and this product too, I think I have one here. This product is a universal phone holder. You can use it to hold your phone. You just hold it, and I don't know if you're seeing it, and you place it here for you to see. You don't have to hold your phone yourself. You can see. So it's going to hold your phone, and you'll be in control of it. So these are hot selling products that you can sell, that it's not easy to see in the marketplace. So let's say you buy this for 50. You buy 50 pieces of this, and you sell, and you get it for 1.5. Now 1.5 times 50, sorry, 50. 1.5 times 50 is 75,000. And let's say this is just a rough calculation though, and let's say you buy the shipping fee for you to import the product is 15,000, and the marketing, which is the advert, is 6,000. Now total price for all the investment that you made just to get this product down to your place is 96,000 naira. Let's say 96,000 naira. And okay, you look into it, and you said, okay, maybe you can just sell one of these, it's 1,000. Now let's calculate again. Let's say 8,000 times the total pieces you bought, which is 50. That will give you 400,000. Can you see? Just one. If you sell one, it's 8,000, and you sell the 50, that is 400,000 naira. Can you see how that thing is? So when you get a 400,000, then minus your investment, which is 96, then all you'll be getting is 304,000. Can you see how profitable this is? So all you just have to be careful about the calculation. It all depends on the product you sell and how much you are selling it. Okay, so the flow diagram of e-commerce, you get the products. Like I said, you create a sales page, or if you are doing a WhatsApp, maybe you don't want to create a sales page, you want to be chatting with them on WhatsApp, that's fine. Then you advertise, you advertise the product. Once you get a notification that people wants to buy, then you go and deliver. You can see it's very simple, just 5 steps. So in my subsequent videos, guys, I will teach you how to import directly from China, like very easy. How to search for hot selling products, product that will be like, wow, does this product even exist? How to create a sales page, how to run an advert on Facebook or Instagram. I will teach you everything, and how to deliver your product to the buyer, like deliver it once you get a notification, and they'll be happy. And that's it, guys. So please, I want you to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because so that you'll be the first person to see it when I drop those videos, or practical videos on how to import and how to source for product, how to buy, how to chat with your customers, how to chat with your suppliers, everything about main importation, about e-commerce. So that will be the first person to see it when I drop them. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to share again so that more people can see it. I love you guys.